Hello everyone. Today we are here with a new topic, articles. A, N, the. What are articles? Articles are small words that come before nouns. They help us to know whether we are talking about one of many or something specific. Why do we use articles? To show if a noun is general or specific. They make sentences very easy and clear to understand. We have three types of articles: A, N, the. A is a general consonant sound. N, also an general and vowel sound. The is a specific noun. For example, a cat is a general and consonant sound. A cat, because cat is one. Talking about a cat, only one. N is a general, but it's a vowel sound. An apple. The sun, it's a specific noun. So we're using the sun. A we used where? We used before a singular nouns starting with a consonant sound. So it shows us any one of many, not something specific, like a dog, a cat, a book. We can use in sentences also. I saw a dog in the park. She has a pen in her bag. It does not refer to a specific object, right? You can better understand also with some visual examples. Picture of a cat, Picture of a book, a book. So we use a for things we don't know exactly. You can do a small practice with the fill in the blanks here. Okay. Also another slide for the practice, you can choose the correct articles. So we already understand a singular noun. We use with a singular noun, starts with consonant sound. Any, one of many, a pencil, a teacher, a car. Okay. Also a mini practice, you can play around in your classroom, like you can pick an object and say it with a chair, a bag, a pen. Okay. Next we will talk about N. We used before singular nouns starting with a vowel sound. It shows any one of many, not something specific. For example, an apple, an egg, an umbrella. So we can use better in sentences. She ate an apple for breakfast. I saw an eagle flying in the sky. Okay, we have some visuals here to better understand. Picture of an egg. Picture of an umbrella. Because we need to check the first sound, not the letter. Okay. Given you here a practice session in the form of fill in the blanks and choose the correct article. We already taught you about N, used with singular noun, starts with vowel sound, any, one of many. These are all the memorizing tips you can use while using N. An owl, an igloo, an ant. Mini practice also giving you here. Students can pick three objects starting with a vowel or start making sentences. I have an egg. I see an apple. I need an ice cream. Okay, understand? Let's understand the article. The used for specific nouns. It can be singular or plural. For example, the sun, the moon, the teacher. We have few sentences here on a screen. I saw the moon last night. She read the book on the table. Okay, we better understand with some visual examples. Picture of the sun, the sun. Picture of the teacher, the teacher. So, use the article when everyone knows the object. Okay. Given you here a small practice in the form of fill in the blanks. Also you can do this practice. Choose the correct articles. We already done the, A or N. So also a mini practice here. Students can pick objects in the classrooms. For example, the window, the board, the clock. Okay, how to use in a sentence? We use the articles in a sentences, right? I have a pen, but I want the pen on the table. So notice the difference here. Huh? Any pen and a specific pen. Another example. She saw an elephant. Later she fed the elephant. So the first one is general. Second one is specific. So we need to understand the little differences. Also you can do the practice exercises here given you already. All right. Okay, let's going to the... Alright, okay, we have some special cases with A or N. Sometimes when we use A or N, depending on the sound, not the first letter. Like for example, a university. So the sound starts with yo sound. Uni, yo. University, an hour. Silent H here starts with vowel sound. Okay. Use of the with unique things. For example, used the for things that are one of a kind. Alright. Example, the sun, the earth, the president. Okay, use of the with superlatives and ordinal numbers. The first day, the best student, the tallest building. Okay, articles with plural nouns. A or N cannot be used with plural nouns. For example, a cats. No, this is wrong. Cats. The can be used with plural nouns. The cats in the garden. Alright. Articles with uncountable nouns. Do not use A or N. For example, milk, water, sugar. Use the if specific. If you're talking about something specific, use the article. The milk in the fridge. Okay, so we all need to avoid the common mistakes we doing while making the articles, while doing the articles. Not using an article before singular countable nouns. Using A or N with uncountable nouns. Overusing the with general nouns. Okay, attaching here a small practice sets also in the form of fill in the blanks, match the articles, practice with a short story. And this is a chapter recap now here. Okay. Okay. Articles with geographical names. Use the with rivers, seas, oceans, mountains, and deserts. For example, the Amazon, the Nile, the Himalayas, the Sahara. Do not use the with most countries, India, France, or Japan. Okay, special country names. Some special countries need the Netherlands, the Philippines. Most other countries do not use the. Okay. Articles in general versus specific sense. I like the chocolate you gave me. This is specific. I like chocolate. This is general. So articles tell us if we mean a particular thing or something in general. Alright. So articles in common phrases or idioms. At a time. One at a time. In a hurry. So means moving quickly. On the way. While going somewhere. Using articles correctly. While we make phrases sounds natural. Alright. See you in the next session.